Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on this beautiful trade that just came in. It is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport Unlimited. Now this Jeep is powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6, and then it is made up to the 5-speed automatic transmission, and obviously the Jeep is quite modified as well. Looking at the interior of the Jeep here, we do have the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows. Leather wrapped steering wheel. We have our cruise control on there as well as our audio controls. Now the Jeep is in miles. It's originally from Colorado in the USA, but we do have all the documentation. You can get your speedometer in kilometers there to help you out. We do have the Sirius XM ready radio up front here as well. All your power windows, your air vents. You have your traction control. Nice simple basic Jeep 4x4 automatic shifter knob. Right down here you do have these aftermarket buttons, because in the inside of the Jeep, full aftermarket leather front and rear. The front two seats are heated here. Beautiful cat skin leather, very high quality, super good looking with the white stitching. Matches the Jeep like an OEM finish. You got your Jeep since 1941 up there as well. Very well kept, beautiful shaped Jeep. Take a look at the exterior of the Jeep here. We do have the right away aftermarket blacked out 5-spoke rims, and then on top of those we have Nitto 35-inch tires. Looking awesome. The anvil paint color. We do have a small lift on this Jeep as well to fit those 35-inch tires. At the front, you got some KC LED pod lights as well. Aftermarket headlights, all LED. Beautiful 4-door. Removable hardtop. All the Jeeps there. Matching spare as well. You got recovery hooks all around like a stock Jeep as well. And now because this tire does cover that third brake light, there's an aftermarket third brake light in here as well. So you're still legal with all your parameters there. Looking back at the interior here, again, custom leather even in the back seat. Super cool feature. Overhead speakers there as well with that removable hardtop. Seats are a 60-40 split, fold down nice and flat. Vehicle still hasn't been reconditioned yet, but you can see that. Fold right back up. Beautiful little bench seat back there. You got your power windows, cup holders. Just a beautiful Jeep. Thank you for taking the time to look at this beautiful 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If this is your next off-road vehicle, come down and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.